Assisi train station, and waiting boarding the bus going to Basilica of Saint Francis on that way. And there's a lot of mountain here. It look like Elephant Mountain. Okay. It's freezing, a little cold here, and I hope we'll see. I look for up there a place to stay on the mountain, closer to Basilica. Spend the night today. Okay. Okay, on our way to Basilica of Saint Francis. On the bus. Now we see a lot of hill. The same body guys up here in the hill. Yeah. So a landscape in Assisi look like Saint 12th century. Okay. The church is built 1200 somewhat. Yeah. I think that's the Basilica, St. Francis Basilica. 2-story. Big. Yeah, we get the view.